Are you an entry-level or move-up buyer and you want to know what you can get in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma for $359,000? Well, I'm going to show you this house that just got listed June 15th. It's $359,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. You're in Broken Arrow schools, but you're close to Coweta, so you have this great country feel and city convenience. And if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, or one of our surrounding suburbs, then tap that little bell notification and subscribe. That way you can be the first to know what's going on in our Tulsa area market. I am Sabrina Shaw. I'm a local real estate agent here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and my team and I get calls every single day from people just like you who need help making that move to Tulsa, Oklahoma. And let me tell you, we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email, jump on a Zoom call, and we would love to help you make that seamless move to Tulsa, Oklahoma. Jamie, this house that I'm going to show you is exceptional. You're going to love it. But first, you know how important neighborhoods are. I want to show you this amazing neighborhood pool. Gorgeous. They do a wonderful job taking care of it, you know, throughout the entire season. It's always blue. And then you have this green belt in the back too. But now let's go check out the house. Jamie, this house you're going to love when I walk you through it. You know when sellers just have fantastic taste and you can just see it in the design with the colors and everything? Like one of my favorite features is the flooring. So you can see that you've got this, you know, durable wood-like flooring that's the tile. And it's, you know, throughout the main areas of the house. The living rooms are carpeted. But the color's fantastic. I love it. And then you've got this nice open kitchen with, you know, the granite and the quartz, and as we're celebrating. Love the gorgeous stone fireplace, and then you've got the open area where you're right off the kitchen. Then there's this great flex room. It could be, you know, a sitting reading room. It could be a formal dining. But you've just got this great space to make use of however you want. Okay, and this is one of my favorite rooms because it's so flexible. So the sellers have used it for an office, they've used it for a playroom. It could be a 4th bedroom. It's got a closet, so you could use it as a 4th bedroom if you need, but it would be a perfect office, playroom, study. And look at this master. You have so much space and you've got the high ceilings. It's incredible. Then I love this nook area because you can set up a desk. This house is perfectly set up if you need to work remotely. Now let's check out this amazing master bath. Okay, I love the huge master bath. You've got the oversized shower that has the built-in shower bench. You have 2 sinks. Again, we've just got light and bright, and then you've got the master closet that is so large too. You're going to love it. So the sellers just put this epoxy flooring in, which is fantastic. And then it's a 3-car garage. So instead of, you know, using the 3rd car, he has turned it into this movie mania man cave. And so it's pretty cool, kind of climate controlled. You can put an AC in, but we've been working hard today. I think we need a movie. And I love this covered back porch. There's plenty of space. You've got a ceiling fan. This house is fantastic. If you want to see it in person, reach out to me, Sabrina Shaw, and we'll schedule a private showing. That was a pretty fantastic house, wasn't it? If you want to see that house, hopefully that by the time you're seeing this that it's not sold. Definitely could be, depending on when. If you're one of the first few, you might have a chance. If it's been a couple weeks, I think this is going to be off the market pretty quickly. But there are other houses similar that I would love to show you. And if you're thinking of making that move to Tulsa, Oklahoma, to Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, or one of the surrounding suburbs, make sure again and tap that little bell notification. And also, if this video is helpful, if you can please give it a thumbs up, that is so helpful. And again, if you're thinking about making that move, you know, 9 days, 90 days, 9 months, you know, reach out to me or someone on my team. We would love to help you make that seamless move to Tulsa, Oklahoma. And we'd really love to show you around town.